Hello, my name is Craig Sybert and I'm a Senior Solutions Consultant with Involve Media. Today is the third of 4 vlogs reviewing all of the general settings in Adobe Learning Manager. This is part 3 of our 4-part vlog series on general settings in Adobe Learning Manager. Be sure to go back and watch previous parts to see all the settings in this section. We will start with the Report Time Zone section. This allows you to change the report times for the learner transcript and session summary reports to adhere to the standard UTC time zone or use the custom time zone you have set in your account preferences under the Basic Info area. The next section, Badger Integration, requires the learner to have a Badger account. Badger is a third-party website that allows you to assemble badges from multiple different sources into one shareable page that can be used in your social media accounts. Once linked, the learner can share the badges with the Badger site. This is done through the Badges menu on the learner dashboard. If this is not enabled, the learner will not see the Badger integration button. The next section is the Show Rating section. Depending on what you choose here, there will be a second section open up below this one. You will then be able to choose if you want the learner to choose the star rating on the course interface, or if you want a small pop-up window to show once the course is finished and the Fluidic player is closed. The star rating is a 1 to 5 rating that will show up on the course thumbnail once the rating is registered. If you choose Course Effectiveness, the second section will disappear. The rating that will now show on the course thumbnails will be an overall score that is derived from a combination of the L1 feedback, or survey responses, the L2 feedback, or quiz results, and the L3 feedback, managers to learner feedback. If a course contains none of this information, or the course has not been taken by a learner yet, it will show as NA. Default View Learner Role is a section that is linked to the My Learning and Catalog views for the learner. If enabled, when the learner views either of these areas, they will see a list view of the courses as opposed to a grid view of the courses. Grid view will show the larger thumbnail versions of the courses. The last section we will review for this part is Learning Paths. Once enabled, your authors will be able to nest learning paths inside other learning paths. Once this section is enabled, it cannot be undone, so make sure that your particular use case needs this function to be enabled. Thank you for spending time with our team at Involve Media. You can find more information on our company and service offerings at involvemedia.com or by emailing us at sales@involvemedia.com.